Leipzig. And Abu, watch out for this kid. In the next 2 or 3 seasons, if we are small players, if we want to say number 8, or we are solid, effective, and efficient, or more than Pano, he will be there. He plays with a certain level of hunger. While we are PSV and Hoven last season, they be our normal teams, surrounding around them. No, they are like I think Jimenez. Then no Babenya, Xavi Simons, who was so solid. The Ibrahim Sangare, but he was always the main man to look after even Luke De Jong in that particular PSV and Hoven team, and consistently goals, assists, he was there. 22 goals, 11 assists. His time will come. And Leipzig, say position now, but I was on board with the 4-2-2-2-2.
Yes.
2 national strikers, 2 net, away, and then the Omo. And Oshomumi and Uro no more play now. In the near future, don't be surprised. He will keep teams sticking, and you're strong. The skill set is there, and will grow for Barcelona. And I think he has done well and deserves to be there in this particular lineup. But more listen, the more Diana said than American. So okay, see ye be pa say you top 3 pa in this setup. Ayi Wahi Chelsea for 20 goals, 5 assists in the French league, a quality player. You heard him about you top 3 within these teams now. Players ya Bona Jude Bellingham. Personally, I'll go for Jude Bellingham. Meko for Gavi for the Spanish national team. Then I go for Camavinga. Omiensa.
Yo. And then be digging and come on to win a cakrama. And no Ballon d'Or list no.
Yeah.
Minimum also list and as it is there or more Belgian or not community didn't come on.
No, I'm sorry.
Or more.
I am home.
The already Ballon d'Or. I don't say Messi Ajayi. Holland.
Oh yeah, day.
Oze.
Oh yeah, day.
That might be a football trend in America.
No, I trend. That's it because
you're trendy. Oh, she goes to draw any bob.
Fantastic. And then yesterday, I said for the purpose of the discussion, into the Ballon d'Or, you say a period bent to period, man.
A period bent to period.
Then we here, because I want for first and can be the calendar year.
Yeah.
So be January to November 2020.
Yes.
Near Bema Award, no, it be January 2021 and February 2021. Now, Sabria, I can say, your September. Let's just say the football year, not the calendar year.
It's 2022-2023.
And then the mile in Holland, Nidiano, it diminishes the ball from start to finish, winning everything except the Carabao Cup.
Yeah.
Ucha Enufimwa, he didn't qualify for the World Cup at all. Yani Akoyama World Cup, Abeyasem. But the person who defied the World Cup logic in 2010, and they say, "Yenman the Ballon d'Or." And I'm here, Enya Adreno. Man, person on Chem. Nipa or defy Ballon d'Or logic with World Cup. No, was Lionel Messi in 2010. One year World Cup no. Obj World Cup no. Edge all the big trophies in Europe or the treble. About World Cup final. Yemfino. Wesley Sneijder was not considered. He had a good World Cup.
Yes.
He had an even better season with his club. But what happened?
I want Fino.
Exactly.
But as a winner, Edu Ronaldo ne Messi so
it defies that logic. Because but then again, we can see young come for you now. Oh, my account in Tina say ya. No, what I say, Kofubi ne Kotwaba.
Now, all I argue about all.
Yes, repeat.
All delegates,
football delegates, next year say, when they to Abaman say, Unimbo, until you might disagree. A bit my choir, a didn't be a woman in your men Ukraine. Oh, we be with me trouble.
While I will tell you,
the season under review. Holland was excellent.
Yes.
But Ruben Dias in the context of the Premier League season.
No, shed I knew.
One more crowns in the Salibano Pracotina field.
It's Coruso be fee.
You get the point. But Ruben Dias,
yes.
Yeah. Josco Guardiola. And Manchester City. Ediem pa na oye or Leipzig. Obey be a World Cup no man say Josco Guardiola. Ye reacting no more winning ball bopa. Yenfa Josco Guardiola dimra. Ya bo Premier League season. Arsenal ya ade. Omo ya ade o. But 1 year they were second. And sa Krabia exams now omo 60. No we 58. Na say cartoon ka ware. Now the following year we be 40. Why yeah, they part because there's a quantum leap from 58 to 40, to nipa 18. It be an Martin Odegaard need them.
Ola za wake oze bi share krabila. Wa wa kwa kita report we je reala what second. We bother about we real was that class over 10.
So
so the BT lipa it la. Go di gala lu krubaro.
Tino o kan ready Kim Minjai mo.
Also so the odie or ala also wuli.
O G League no. Osimhen o dentia. O
G Saji o Go Kisaji.
Kwarashkelia o dentia.
Also like G best player we.
Until Kim Minjai dey.
Kim Minjai best defender.
Good. So I go back. Let me be some say Inter defenders. Inter were second.
Yes.
And they were second in Europe.
Yeah.
They had a better season in Europe than Napoli. Into Inter centre backs no. I'm actually worried Dimarco. No, Dimarco especially.
Yeah, Dimarco.
He had an excellent season. Oh, you know, Kwaku said, Fabiato Chain. Emiliano Martinez on Yadi. A World Cup, no? And then the penalty. Look, we are looking for
Emiliano Martinez.
Look, he's Nankasman with Janis uncle, maybe. No, and then let's be, you see, Akumia, into goalkeepers on Moya Hadia, few England, Europe, no. And we are seeing, let me not restrict it. What if you goalkeepers on Moda go on Moya Hadia, no? Emi Martinez aje World Cup. Bonu aje Europa League. Anya excellent World Cup.
Yeah. Thibaut Courtois.
So, for me, he has been the best goalkeeper in the world for some time.
Courtois.
Yeah.
Asana Edison.
Oui. Trophies in India.
Elle est de la Baha. Ah. Si on va dire Edison, ou Jini Dibi.
What's on yadi?
Edison yadi.
No, Ibiza must say no, you pa must say obo pass.
Obo pass.
Mike Mignon.
He had an excellent season.
Mignon also.
Excellent season. Excellent season.
Emi Martinez na ban wala.
That's it.
50 matches, 22 clean sheets. Trophies, World Cup.
Me Sremo say. Mummy Nyai say the clean sheet say judge defense. Goalkeepers no. They the measure on. You get the point. So my boss is in 50 me about 50 matches. Me had 22 clean sheets. As I said 28 matches. Me consider.
Yes.
Say be me consider 2 and me consider how many goals? 56.
Yeah. 56 you know.
Sanity.
Why did you go the global?
David here.
Among the goalkeepers now, I heard the last season with Premier League. No, not David here, your best goalkeeper. Not David here, your best goalkeeper.
Oh, England.
Among the goalkeepers, I heard last season.
Oh, but says I concern your reason why they do baby out the clean sheet in the years what they change.
We will be the
Aaron Ramsdale.
Over there.
Oh, are they?
Testegen is part of it, but Aaron Ramsdale no crown. Is one particular big point as la for the who say do baby can not hard no pray to crowd about consider a lot. Or no crack will be cry la league the
Saudi. Like this between Edison and Emiliano Martinez.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Now you said this so akwa between Jude Bellingham and more or less like Jamal Musiala.
Are you Cooper
then the main one, mama main one no. Na mo hwa de bi kaka me one no ojabse on this as players be are supposed to be part me ameti Martin Odegaard unya fine season there but listen ni mu nyina no, I'm not trying to be biased here, but why is Rashford not in this particular list?
Didn't Nanka was the Rashford?
Marcus Rashford or World Cup no, we saw the impact in the English national team at some point with 3 goals. Then in the season overall, Nankasane 30 goals, 11 assists.
Oh, okay.
Plus the Carabao Cup. What did they measure? And last season, be about Man United, you bear witness to us say most of the things Man United team achieve goals in through Marcus Rashford.
I think goals are not what.
Yes.
The Rashford, the normal power like a crack.
Oh, there be a normal. It's just one of these. But
like I said,
United players say
for
I don't know
Andrew Nana Hoyland, but no, they are not there because of
United. I don't know my the beard one the American
now we play yours anyway
and me cry they don't make it they come here you
play do those
me nimpo because season ya say obi wo mpa me metie team it should be Allison
because
Allison
is not part of the goalkeepers.
Good.
Yes.
Mohamed Salah the PA
because of Salanti on the years I feel you know I feel be sign but him na be some omo way ya but train tebe ni e be ka wa say omo way
e ma wole way
Abidjan
Chelsea yeah tu vois la cabeça e fala bra Chelsea no person like e fala
Enzo Fernandez Eda Caicedo
Enzo Fernandez
World Cup
you see and yeah almost Mr.
for the World Cup he was solid.
He was the best young player at the World Cup.
And no free Benfica
he was doing well.
He was doing well with Benfica.
But still, Oshe be more list with more. Huh?
Swimmer.
So, it didn't be Oma. Koku, Oka.
Nipa ma hu ni di wo ma me bu ofupa e nipa ba ko pe. Randall Kolomwani.
Ah?
Ah, mi o uzo so. Ma mi si bi hu ye mi bu ofu za Kolomwani aw. Akomia. One of Kolomwani o pe de wa.
Extra fast food.
No san ka kan.
The World Cup.
Bishop na hu yo.
There be space.
Kolomwani wo me. O de share Hurricane as wo baby no.
Space na share.
Ebina make it. The Kolomwani have a better season than Marcus Rashford.
No, he had an okay season at Frankfurt. It was an okay season.
Money, I shame cry a World Cup. Will be no cobo say na.
Enzo Fernandez should have been there. Ojama agree with you. Enzo Fernandez should have been there.
No, you say the best young player at the World Cup.
Yes, Enzo Fernandez should have been there.
Masapa, no, he was their shining light. Omo nyade but no yade. So
Enzo Fernandez.
But we must buy and winning 3 matches. Dum ni janu
over why they
winning 3 matches
out of say
3 out of the Omaha no
yeah odumda fire service
into my now say comedy omo ma team no mum wo omo ma no so omo ma no dey bibire wo
omo ma no dey bibire yes am care money
but you see then on the more serious side I did say he should have been there
he should have been there
wow Ballon d'Or.
But what the baby a quarter that you will have.
No, okay, me but when some una call course.
So all baby a call.
Now, pram no your integrity test to go be.
There be that.
See, I called you about to my message or moko.
We are like see US for. That stadium will be a man invite artists for US.
Yeah, you can corporate control, corporate. Money control, corporate control. Companies would want franchises now or US no. On be person or this award no be about for marketing purposes.
Ah, that was what they call.
What the man?
Or the award no. Or no be nya. No be nya. Dance everybody US no. Do be je award no Miami no. Bedman. Lewin. I dream. Rihanna.
Super Bowl half.
Be say of the nyina na do ba. Oh yeah, can you look at your money my blast 5 seconds was here the kwa America ma. O what is na Bishop let the one be yellow make video na ba rebe ho. What to you? Why? Look at him. Oya rapper.
Yes, Sompa here. What you baby ah. Yes, Swami angasa no. Oneti so.
Akobi wo magazine ha. Peter for na ba ko.
Obewe no.
Share that man banana money beat on Luther King.
Into your show says Luther ha.
Luther King ni nyonto.
Oh David abu.
Person go ani mas na nyame.
We aba me you if you are afia mra fi na ye hwe game ne kakra. Na Lucas Travel Consult semenka e fa trouser akonya na ba se ne usika sem wo fom uniska kra ne on be kasa ne de wako akwakurua mama no ne Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, and afi Germany. Baby ti se Netherlands, Australia do be ko akwakura so o kwa akotena ho o ko ye adwuma o kwa akosua da ye be boaje scholarship area ma no mo nkomo no de na ama make say so sika sem nya kra ne omo ni nkomo ne se omo zo omo no obo omode ne omo kasa bebi a pe no oni omo di nkomo do document ni bibi ase ne omo ma ye adwuma ni nyina wi a visa na ba no ansa na omo che omo sika no edu ni sika kra endwen ho eno ye hwehwe omo so de ababa be rom se passport na be birth certificate bank statement ni na be bo na on site mi akabi po mo a Tema Golf City omo number no 0534 543 210 0534 543-210 ne yɛsɛ Ghana yɛpɛ nkɔfo wɔ nimdeɛ wɔ adwuma wɔ ne yɛne ɔmo abɔ adwuma marketing manager, sales personnel, receptionists, administrators, shop attendant, house help and afia accountant abona na yɛne ɔmo abɔ adwuma na aboa ma nneɛma akɔ yie paa ɛtumi ɛde ama na ne 21st clinic sɛ menka ɛmfa nkyɛw sɛ sciatica mu nkɔmmɔ deɛ ɔmo ne number 1 yɛde kɔto afia ma ne ma ne ba bɛgya ayɛsa na yɛabo akyew te ya na ɔto asinti no ɛtwetwe atwetwe wa awura mu ɔhyɛ akyi obebi awura mu nkotodwa ma na bɔ to awura mu 21st clinic kɔmaso ɔmo de bɛ na yɛaboa na nneɛma deda yie paa ɛtumi ɛde ama kama paa na ɔmaso yɛ no ba stroke ne du nya diabetes ya yɛ bia no yɛ rate so ano fro ti so ba besu na so no yɛ bɛbɔ ama nneɛma deda diara ma mo lab kɛse a okɔ a yɛ bɛdu so na nneɛma ada diara ma na skin services no yɛ anase scan services no ɛyɛ ade no so ɔmo bɔ mo de hwɛ ɛyɛ ɛbɔ ama nneɛma deda diara ma Friday bia after work no to for na gye massage na yemiemia wa moja ni die fusane no ya sane machine treated attack more than 15 branches Ghana ebo ejuma pa kuma so pomo a enwe overseas junction obe na for radio obo ase cancel cortes call junction be nyom akra dome market be nyom sunwane nkranza techima hojina obo de no nyom number ni 0249 311 0249 311 050 0540 311 0540 311 yambwa nane mandida di imprentimia farmer Boris B zemenka enfranchose ne ope efia kokopa zebroya na pa na layers no omone bomodi ama wanya bi na aboa mane ma koye kama pa etimi ede ama no mo maso ye no yesi kwan ni damu de ma yenuanom nkramofo no kramu mu no ebetimi ato afa o na Boys B omon kokkonam no omo akwa kutubi de akwa yeduane ni na so bomodi amamra wodo na ewo so omo fa so a eho betiri ama yenuanom nkramofo no omo afa sa amamre no so enya afisu no omo di adobia ekwa keka ne ade na baba eze nam na wudi na akwa koma ha na asa akoko no okokotokra so nkonkon to mawa akwa kofa ha bi edi aba ni nyina ne ze omo de ntutuye na guna kwama ye boa ye nhihye no se de be ya wudi a ana so we nam na aboa na etimi siesie ntia Boys B honko a e na akwa efi akoko no de gina na so pa no on se etimi akwa ka bi o maso ye no omo fu no ho no ye 1.6 kg 1.4 1.3 1.2 ni nyina no obenye bi akoko ne se no e na afi na tabu no de kaza akoko abasa 7 no e no so no dodo na enso na afi gizzard ene baba ze upe gizzard ni bi atoto a Boys B ono so okona okoko jibi na ebo na afi layers awodo na e no so ye bebo amanse etimi aka bi na nam na ye de ema akoko na ye de man kraman no ni nyina obo mode ton bi ho ni dwuma pa obunti no me pa cho BBC branches no ene unsa betimi abomode aka bi o miamia ya me ba ba obo no abomode na ne product no wenya bi Bantama Street OC Presby Church no Asenwase Market ubenya omo product ni bi o Santasi Runabout OC Unity oyo no onsa eka bi na Poku Trading odo wani chemu eduma ubenya bi SG Mall Top High Tech no ujibi na Shell Body Junction no bomode ajibi ntino fa na number no na ne nkasa dodo na hia bia ye de be wura aso 0544 444 453 0544 444 453 and 0544 444 453 BBC efi akoko na akoko jibi na mboa na ne man koyie pa entimi emfa mana ntoto ye no so no entimi da yeso no entimi emfa emamo eno so echi na asena bi nko emfa ma Game Park Limited akrade aba na bababaze foforo kra na open mula na Chelsea ska bebre apomode de djuma bi afa wo hyemu bi eni National Lottery Authority ajo matum enti omudwuma di omudini de hia ne se wonya ediedu firi nwotwe e akrade aneto na ede pa omabomode ama numbers no from 0 to 9 na lucky 4 ne chese numbers 4 wo giri ese be apie no eno ne ba wadi omo oso no e ya de wo so yo ba kubu straight o predict say 1 2 3 4 e boss a wanya sika bebre na ba kuzu atim predict say number 3 no e be apie bi am premium no ana se miesa ni nyina ba me de ma wa wanya sika bebre nti no uyusu tablet na phone computer me patro ramu e wo Play Store download the Game Park Games app no Game Park Games app na no site www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com and I'm put open a simple network biano order star 946 star 946 erube room na wabomode na watwa omo peso nya ska bibi ntino dako draw no ye twene mpre no emako miensa no pade no ye twini 9 o'clock am wiade na 12 pm na nwume no 6 pm ti Game Park game aboa amane mamu ede ye papa enne na ne ma deda dia odo so mimu no made in edition no ebo mo de na hyase ewo Sompa ha na munkomo ne de ni nyina ne ze maka so yire nyenyenyenyenye nte so onkoda na nsuo ne to na reze niam ye nwunu na obedan wani na obi ando ya na ha drink kakra enti issues bi na aba o pedofo a one no bebo modern tu anamo se ne na waye nim na niam ebisi basa o de odo so mimu no se no dubo a na che se ne ya woda no 10 pm ekokuram 12 am no du ekokosi dumienu eyempemfo nkomo ndi nkwada no ya amonda zankomo we no eyempemfo nkomo a eye dwumadi a ye de banti ne no e hyase no ya woda bi ahye no se no ndubo anaju kokosi dumienu anopa ya bomode na odosomimu no ewramu kama kama pretimi era ma na aboa na hyehye no so no etimi adadi era ma drinks ni emienu pe eno na yebobo obobi ama ahoden ane live commentary no ye beka de aguma na jeze wose yenya ahoden na yebo adwuma nti drinks ni emienu mixer 5G ye den habamba ni ndiaba hodo na abomode etimi aye grana wo madwena da ebenya no grapes ne boa etimi ye niema no bo adwuma ena jinsi ni yi ntini ma moja no edi efusane ema yetimi agien na so ena afi so kra no green tea ne na ne shade no ntine cafe sembi ni ma ebema ahoden shonkon omo na di miso fruit drinks na ba drink ka no ma obo wanum to ezanze mu ede emu so apiye pa desire ye na ba bi to na ba de dodo na eba ba be hiem no mixer 5G miso fruit drinks na waje wa che de ama ahogo no se adeche na osanya ye foforo kra na se bibia on from kra on beba ezanze ade ni mu ede edu on beba be no na aboa ma ne ma dadi so era ma pedo na to number ni 0246 270221 0246 270221 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 ene mo east no ko for idia Kwekwo Check Company Limited obejibi honum Kwekwo Check number no 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 na KF Kinju Enterprise orwani chemu no motel Kumase Swami haya also oba benya dodo na etimi to 054 4483 392 054 392 na boama nema dadi era ma 21st kene ke hwa so kwa manager Daniel ho obejibi ho na mama Esther at Com Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Buakwa ujibi PNC Ventures Anomanje Taxi Station si Charity Hospital Junction no ubenya bi na Sachi Enterprise asafo abinchom si VIP car park no ye boa no so no nyema de ye pa etimi edi ama kama pa na o amono ne na otie ma no pe ya sika no emfa nkonkoma ofa na ne obedi na ewo so obo mode na opa asase ana opefia to Kumase ne nkran a 52 Estate Construction Limited na ozo na oni omo etimi didi nkoma na ye boa ma ne ma dadi pa etimi edi ma na mu nkomo no ene sere ntutu eni sitie no omo abu adwuma no fie no makomaku dunum ni ti omo nema bia e ya ade a eho te a eboa ma ntutu akoyira ma fie na e dara peso renovate omo a this around no pass asase ani omo ka obetwi afana de aka retwa na kakra to full plot ana half a ye ma cement no 20 bags eje na fa ba asase na su form number no ni omo ni nkomo 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 0531 525 ana 52.com send ne Facebook Instagram TikTok no obi yo mwan crown po ma Kesama Junction Game Park Chimota Road no Kome Plaza omo ewo mo bejuma Kumase page 4 anto akwan no so no obo modern we yo bishop yes chance any real man ra yes na reception no na no edempa ne ade akomya ma yewram ne ehwe ade ne aya museum ra na reception na no edem na Springbok aso na ye didi de won kom akra no Ghana game no ne ehwe ne ma no na atmosphere no ne said na ne emesi koronji amuhwe we no na momma ye time a na bass ne ba ne de na supporters ne ye edishia team no it tells you say ne pa ye ni abre I was a kwembi asidinya qualification into no o ticket no njo de age ene minim say ne am so so ameye ya na ma ye ya bare nyu bia ne binya bi enti I was so ye o hia ticket why meza
Abu
yeah
not quite surprising, especially looking at the crowd.
Jamana bibi aboko de.
Emi boko na bu na so e.
Manager me ho ye pa. Una me hu wache. Me say ne so ne machia no machia pa. Pa. Then obeko akohwe ball ni bi.
Me ya beko hwe.
What's your quota Ghana?
Ba quota Ghana chipa. Moko hwe bi.
Ba mi de ne mo wo de ma ye.
Abu. Ote be amta me ameka chiro. Me nsama no da. Kasa na tambe ameka.
Enwa kasa pana ne kasa dena kasa ne shi nkuna no
ezele no nkuna never be also trinity dey odi na odi asem tell me ka chiro say ye do ko etukwan a say they do fish from rabad ha makum ekɔ na match
simple cry
and yet din bakusi you see akontu aye din ama amamfo bebre but Trinity de the din about first akontu na menche wa hwefo ne wotiefo na nso metia Trinity staff nyina most especially company lawyer lawyer Pon very fantastic man I mean stand pa wo konyo de amayen so abu ye woni me bebre wa so yo aye di ho dwuma na akontu no eni bebre abohu cause we bia de yanu bia de kayenti tema akontu ne sem na aye din na mbom no yaba se sa problems no mo ye be solve mo nti akontu hu problems ene ye be solve the solution ni kwai ene de nam nti wo bi wo akontu hu problem pese to kwan na aye de amawa hebe bia the Trinity of Arc limited company yen ko ne wo no ye de ma
oh okay
anu wiase nyina o pese ko ba bia ade na ade na ntimi ko ba ne mbo na ade ya kase ye wo flash programs ye ya agent pa calendar review nurse form o ta me ka chido nurse form akonya nda ho daw nti obi nam ATM na no pay na so ye health practitioner or ye medical doctor dentist or even physician assistant na so person free her free Ghana kra na okota Canada permanently or maternity na ye mboam obi so wo ha opese okọ Canada ko ye dwuma o nsaru dwuma be se obi a o ye Tyler ba shi operator obi o construction worker on so onya so no ntie ye woni me bri na mo mema ye de number na tudwa because obi ona bi TV ho pese opi abonten obi so ka mu a o ti opeso si form sa form fa number na mo friend ntie mo bi a mo ye be mo
number is 0531
0531
644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0244 06 23 89 0244 06 23 89
aw ade ade abam ye Denmark work Denmark aba she abu oye construction worker oye carpenter oye mason o san bia bra Denmark ehu abisoko Denmark ehu shiji visa na ejema ehu ke den obi wo ha so ko Slovakia anso djuma ba dem we promo mo ye university graduate HND ukura we training college ukura training college certificate awokan and MBTI diploma okan bra Slovakia ahu de peni patempe
Slovakia
tempe eso a oba ye njo e ntwantro we some prominent we on anu den serious kwa because we never cry de ban Trinity time ka say no o di ya na o di asem sa Slovakia ten no o di brane mbo me nkan ko chi bibiri me hu number na tetuja fra na mbo na o we say o di o investigate ya bra HND e bejo NVT diploma e bejo we training college ko se e bejo sa form dem Slovakia e jemo awu o itiri wo ho Australia won se me ka chiro obi obi to din bia na no be office wo
yes
be office wo na me de me nkan ko chenche e make tuwa bi mu de mbeti yanka me ba ha na me de do me ba omdo office se be chiro ze ye adwuma pa in chantro se ukura de papa na wo ton a ukasa unim de woka
sa pepepe
chantro ya free try and error say ya swahwe ya free ho the country if you say visa ho agye ntimi fa nko be kan ko se hade yen try because ye ko yen na si fi so bi saka say o Trinity na yede ama yen san ka visa nti ye kan ko chiro nimum country ye wo akonya ho de me ni ye chinye bra ya so ye na yen boa yen fe na daw asawa meti aka no woko bia ho na sana meka no me kwa akra na da meka nkan office the same thing ye ka ye sign ne ma ye logo see the same thing ye sign kasa ye sin bibia ye pe Trinity of Arc na wasa akonya ne ma Romania ne sign wo ho promotion da so da.
So Romania promotion da so da.
First batch come back, third batch to us. He was lot. Ya no company bi ka say yemfo bi mra wo. Yan kasa ene ekopedwuma no ye de wakoma koye. Nti ba bia problem. Babia beda problem insurance be cover so problem if you say be cover beda secured and visa na me ma visa fun bia so ye ma visa ye multiple visa o kwa o mini entry on ko tan bi fa ko na on ka ho o be so tu no mo be ko ba bi ko visit na de o betim this visa na de etu no when na 22 of akede ye wo ma nti we dia na o dia say na me ka say o dia say no na da bia ni it working so ho e go so yes sign the same thing if we say o ko accommodation free
Italy no
accommodation free
bibia be dey free there's one man on accommodation no na think for this onya ni free zo kwa akoda bibia ye djuma usika bebre
free it will free accommodation free now it no check to bi o ha o time me ka say me on officer say o ka no kro check to bi o ha o ye mo twa kakra bi o ha na o ko twa kai wo ho kakra bi it
kakra bi o ha kakra bi ya ye bibia de ama o ko du a wo ye djuma no ba come papa
what I say factory work, warehouse packaging, office assistant, supermarket attendant. In now for Italy. I exchange with an Ejamau. Is it really wrong? Abu.
Are you feeling anymore?
And Canada, your Canada permanent resident plus truck driver. Canada permanent resident plus truck driver. Say oh yeah truck driver un car kesi twin last DOF now person oh yeah relocation no busua ekota Canada ye adwuma afebo a ye wo sekonya de maw scan ketua bi betwa ketua bi na yen hye papa maw okono okota afebo no busua o maye edukura o de bra ye be ya momo da ko o mu nyina kwa maw wini at the par 22 of act ye wo de mamu motor no so ye twa motor nda so gu ho enti ha na ka se nye o mum di fo nkwa na do mo ko motor nti wote motor ni o mum di fo obi aga na fo
obi atimi ko bi man
oba bema age of 18 to 60 years ye do be ko motor
18 to
60 years
wow
ye do ko moko adwuma ma wonya financial freedom on sa me catch up o ko Ghana ye ni financial freedom dabi because the person who di untimi toni anu nche uni financial freedom ko na ko financial freedom na bra be bo busua no ene na ye hwe de ma tito fa nko na wo sa hwe de mabu
mate di se na ma no me afa ne bi na afi ma jam kwan na ma che mu chi akwan ne bibia mo na ye ko di obaba ye go
number ni 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0244 06 23 89 0244 06 23 89 your location ye wo Kumasi anakasoa so oba Kumasi ye wa Adoa to Masalachi sometimes ye ka say Adoa to aya no muhu enti ne ye de Abrepo Junction aye landmark enti so do Abrepo Junction a Shell filling station obekona taxis be bra park wo ho okwa also pa Adoa to obesi Masalachi anakasoa say o New Market Road Fidelity Bank building your first floor opposite Commercial Bank Mombrana yemwam
Mante medama sepa dia ni treat of acclimated o maso ni din ko medama me ba pe santia sim the Black Stars of Ghana na yato aso na dia kebi remedy amamo so pa 93.1 so ye na ye run din ko ma kra na abo ma ne ma kuyi kama pretty medama Royal Foam Ghana Limited semenka factors the Royal Foam mattress there ababa be bazi am pacho unya bi enyusi a wakechi esonde de pa mu edin na foto ye me konye me amechi ye me haye me aro use the Royal Foam mattress a ebi entimi ento ni nyina ne ze e ade abedwaman so e ba na ababa ba ye nyina na wabo modern agio mu product ni bi no na yasen achosu nye pa obeda so afa adwempa de ababa pa e Royal Foam mattress onko a ana Royal Foam Ghana Limited o maso e na abo modern nya we bi o munjuma pa o mo Bontino, your Bomodi Assistant Ashanti Business Excellence Award, no, organized on the 20th anniversary of Fortune Force to the second, no, your Bomodi Good Award, and also Nanchano 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Award, no, your Bomodi Sign Momo Award. Now, show my and then your mom, dear runners in the new ultra modern showroom Biaba, or on each momo factory na just on premises on our so Mampon, o few up now call CCC ono, any omo abomodia, omo near money be a dear Romosa, Kunyana ope, na just omo mattress ni be a dear and then pena ope, and it's on to any nano on Sabit Miakebo for Manamano, Comobia Neo Mundinium was 0202 27 1000 number for pa 0202 27 1000 na shisheno and kuye kama sono and Timmy and Farmer Vodafone Zemenka and Franchos and normally B Boss Ghana Akendi Abuma de Omodia Bani. Yes, in there, you use smartphone. Now say, now you see, now per smartphone you are a simple cry. Or mobile modiama phone be a bit and crack and a chassiano, obitia, BS, 353 Ghana city deposit. Yama 4 months to 6 months, or Modernanka and which anti smartphone crap, a Samsung phone, or chepe near Boanausa, Etimia Cavity, B-Boss Ghana, and upon modern Sanchez. Yes, a simple cry, obey me, Bibiana, or Chibiano, obey me, Bisa, Kusisa Bosume, 9 and Ciano, Elbow Modiason, 2 with Doom Swami, Ken US Engineering Department or and a Vodafone shops, Kumasi Vodafone shops are a walk for the Accra, Takrade, Honino, Obama Modena, Wako, so here be and after Accra, no, there's a Vodafone shops, no, Madina, ANC, Moino, East Legon, Accra Mall, obey me, a Ramo, Junction Mall, Cantonment, and Osu, and a B boss from head office, no, Adenta, a blue coin, so an abetimia free, a B boss headquarters, so our number we so 0800 255 255 0800 255 255 and a 0243 323 148 0243 323 148 and our face no Kumasiano na just and show my chase Kumasi Accra Takra de Kofoidia or mo sales agent regional manager no for the number in Casa 0208 484 141 0208 484 141 name one name under the pen from a boss a B boss connect get a smartphone pay small no yen hihia omode abebo ama na makoyi so no etimi edemana ne eda kese ma ye nyina ne ntino wo se base ya yen legends yen de dodo na edi nkomo na proud to the game no se da won to no esi etie no mo ne yen share kakra na mboa na man de da din pa entimi environment mi anko na coach Stephen Frimpong Manso Mayanga ye ne coach ni nkomo akra eni ono ne jama de mata na obofo akwa na head of the game no ye se de ma die koji na umbo mbako.
Oh, Namia Dombako.
Yera Kira Bunya Copas. Yavize all seasons to trophy Ababeji, ye cram and Nushiana, Mabua Basonia, the Arabia Bazo by Wabo Modia Sound to Tiani Bibia de Yeko Kama.
Oh, Medak.
Mante coach, Yenra game Numune, say Baba Bedrew time say ya, Bonoma Bubida, Master Rama name ye coaches. Are you hearing already a qualifier on the day? Approach na gaza ya send is it here zo gina mu na oba and how you coach asena ya ramo game nim.
Oh, you know say oh player there players no yes they do time this year and I had the difficult time because they do time say now players you are almost me handle that time you to the time a league match no be start. To be why he wants to be sit alone or better or better will be other man or be so there or to me just or start or the 7 or 4 with you and the son and so there are so many types of player behavior it do that time say between now and then the league game. So I know there for and so boss sometimes you will know you're more relaxed, you don't even think about that man. Also, this one what the phone I send and music and I said you like to just talk to family and then sign your money. So I know their behavior, I know they differ from each other.
Now, what can players in the area chair? Also, our main coach now, and you know, Bob Modidio Makwa Kujina Kono, a Banisia, only on Kita Udino, na and Shishano, so I know they are sending on Swiss here.
After coach, you know, the Unyanya interaction with them said after breakfast, maybe I only on Makasa. And then and then also the mood of each player. Say a player be or I wouldn't himself wait. The moment of best start to be too quiet, maybe out with the tension, next time you man not a so understand you know how to even psych the player even before the game. But this time most of the players they play outside that day. So opponents know one and only come into play. The whole ball against Nigeria, the way Obi behave. Whole ball against Togo, Central African Republic, behavior not Egypt. Because Obi who big at this thing. Work up your best, maybe your map work up to another. So Omono Sani and do as your own behavior, no, you're more relaxed. And then as a coach, so you know how to say best now, Omono. So Omo the Omo say so quite namely debutants, no Sani man. Sometimes you get closer to such players and then you try to signal.
Boy Bante, Yamba game na nkasam. Za go for uni Central African Republic there. As o modern money ni omudin ne ball mo bono. E wo form nti e den akiane ke ye kona yakwa akosho mo simple kra. Meni muni mo pa nim se do musi ball mo game ne ade ade. Also wadwimu no ni ze we dey match ni ze ye kokwe se ye kwakọ ye dro bia na ye nkọ ne nkọ show mo bebre. Game na nkase ye nkom se na ozi hu no.
Onze ono so to me qualify.
Annie.
Not this one again. The moment that a team should be to make qualify and no have baby or mobile one, what many about draw, they went home. So what he never thought over to me a standing Ghana 2-2, but on the Ghana about draw. So now no on him set or you know what Caribbean. Also bit me this woman in Ghana play singing fortunately, I'm not place no more. Than say a place no new, and I think no new more place. So I don't know a more certain advantage, and also there's nothing at the pressure behind in the so. But here also a big at the news. And a person in the Central African Republic, even mismatch crowd. Never be a woman crowd, but me crowd come back for 90 minutes. But this time round, he wants to qualify. So a normal man confidence needs to open up at some stages in the game. So for me, I think that when to say an underrated situation, no cry at all. Because yes, now consider go very very difficult to come back. So for me, I think that we need to respect them. Although say on paper, you're ahead of them, but we need to respect them before you beat me winning this game.
Maze coach na mon penso no na mo bona supporters de be share agrupama no so ma no mo yedidi ni ade a menim de na eye de ma mo na ne waka bibia che Ghana for ze o mo nyina na mra ma meta Black Stars na chinya di me hu ze mo bona supporters no obebreba fa so di a mon penso no na eye de ma mo e na de hu be hia de nti e wo ze ne no o mo nyina wo mu Kumasi Baba Sports you ma be support team no
so enye by chance and a the game in Kumasi. Because I know the way Kumasi fans even qualify say I have born earlier, you have a year fans no play pass. Sometimes they almost the 12 player. That was game no more. Indirectly. Or more only pitching so but the support or the man. I don't think I have to know there, they about. So maybe if you say a mobile play part the numbers not at the stadium, I say it may fail the stadium. And then the support not should be positive. And yes, the time well and Kwana hear support. Even at the point that even opponents already say to face, that is when we need the support number. The moment players no be they double up. And almost double up, it tells you that there are supporters behind them, which they have to win for them.
Koji meja ona minimze we ne dia ne Black Stars nkomo amresi no ze be say di bofo akwata no nkomo akana ya wonti me da se pa no mre
me da okay
ya no ye coach Steven Frimpong so Mayanga ne ye call ne kokodi nkomo ze mre no so say ya omo mabobi da nim ade no honim dia na wo se hwe na ye call ne Joe Madwencha na ebo mane madadi mpa na viviteki wa amresi me no pe kesi be say edi nkomo me chairman di be shiala ajeze is a my day say ala shiale ba kwale adia obey akwaba
No can need
He said, Chama, I just said, but he was there. So last time she Ghana Angola. And after giving me a shower a year hotel.
But in between my bar, but then it's sports related.
Okay.
And that's a football related.
Oh, so I can't have been around. Yeah. Hey.
And football related.
Okay, maybe I'm not having around.
If you una person we are selfish.
And I want you before to be go also. And I want you before to have there. Oh, by an amina. About me there. But we crack was having carbon you. Visit me anytime I'm in the Bishia Bialo. Is a nebia your top match bia. I know a dinner there. We near ya today. But the job you can say no, I mean, if you do come back, Yari said in Yama this year, Tiene, dear Kwane, Ina, Yarina, Yeramana, Buana Shishana, that is obey Quazo Bocode.
Bibia Boconia, that Yankopan say, and Odia chain. Unubia and Yan say,
Sape Pepe.
I said that, let Beman Yankopon say, Mino, Yetimi, when you ma, Yetimi didn't come.
Oh, okay.
Then Yamia Sepa say.
Now you are bushing Kuno, so we be added in Yamia Kokama.
Yamia don't be there, come but then for you for
meaning for Black Stars. But dear Fowl Cracker.
Ubi 7 hours.
Maybe BBC a foul cracker. But was it the whole idea? O chairman Nestima Capito Quacobo.
Oh, I know, say, and after Black Stars gave me a two. I'm sure that some passports will be one of the first
year
story. Yes.
But then we'll give no more cracker. A Chelsea squad list by year, Bako PFM, Joseph Fenton, Animatis as if Fatarisha, Wababa, Henry squad.
I think so. We don't squad in your bad, with the exception of Daniel Lamartini, Thomas Partey, anyone be Salisu, Majida Shimero, Kofichire said he has not been in the team for a while. After World Cup, no ball match BMI, Kamal Dean. So team in terms of the core players, it's not the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I hope say the debutants, and the Omomonia collab, maybe second, third, fourth collapse, for this particular game, they'll step up and rise to the occasion. But I'm sure say if everything goes well, the football gods will be in our favor and we'll win the game.
I never win it. Maybe partner.
Oh, not media. I mean, in football, if you win 10-0, it's still 3 points.
Yes.
And in this game, we just need a draw. But Kumasi fans, any Asante mind, spirit, already the team, any support, already team, we need to win to make them happy.
Yes.
For me, draw will not be enough. But statistically, draw will qualify us to Abidjan. But we need to make the Kumasi fans happy. And I think that the win will be a very comfortable thing for the Kumasi fans. We need it because they've shown undiluted love.
Yes.
Omatre say they love football. So the only thing we can give back to them is to win.
Yeah.
And that's what we are looking forward to. And I think that it will happen.
But other Kofo who say is Ghana see a break about first and anchor Yambo final game when you secure qualification.
Oh, yes, you bet break because number 12 a advantage and disadvantage. Number 12 a boy binum.
Oh, okay.
Be a benefit from number 12.
Oh, okay.
It being so Ebre from number 12. But it's behind us now. We have to wage forward and then look at what is ahead of us. What has happened in the past is in the past. The players are many on the ball maybe 3-4 years ago. It's not the same. The team is virtually a new team. I'm sure say your members are on your mobile. If something should happen and then they bring in maybe a nipa bakokra to replace your team now, it will not be the same.
Yes.
Then you have a team almost an entire 11 players on the pitch, it's not the same. So it's a bit difficult, but Ghana a results-oriented country, and the boys themselves, they know what is at stake. I'm sure a lot of them want to go to the AFCON to make name for themselves. In Team Prep, make us say, and say moderate in the things we say and the comments we pass, because I'm not sure say you out you need the African Cup more than Andrea you or Jordan or you or Thomas Partey. You don't need it more than that. So they will not go on the pitch some Makobon Troka na BB for them not to get what they are looking. They needed more than even the FA president.
Yes.
They needed more than any of us here. If you know some of the things that these boys go through before a game and after the game, during the game, and some of the things that goes on now, you feel for them. But like I say, they needed more than all of us, and they will not trade it for anything.
Oh, okay.
I just pray we'll get a good start, and the end will justify the means.
Yeah, the inclusion of team name is the only club bia and a friend na wababeke or you so na leader meaning that this no leader without a team wababe ram no dear no sign the babe can be wrong. It is a leader already control near man commodity near there a boy but roba concern for reason is all this around the is a capital crack at no injano non company team match we who has here the beba meaning so I can't be for one.
Well, I think so. With that issue, the coach has said it all.
Yes.
And the bottom line is, if the coach speaks, you and I cannot say anything about it.
Oh, okay.
The coach has spoken, and the coach says he needs him. Who am I? And whom am I? Who am I to say my number? I mean. It's expected that people will talk about it because of the caliber of player involved and what is happening currently. It's a fact, it's true, but we are talking about him being clubless now.
Yes.
After the game, we'll not talk about him being clubless again.
Yeah.
After the game, we'll not talk about him being
after
clubless
the game.
Again. So it's just a matter of time. That's all I can say for now.
Oh, okay. Mate. Na can be so chair Kumasi mine Ghana for you but as I now report net and just we no net turn any ade no form kakra.
I think okay, with a little experience I may work with national teams as a reporter and then as a player manager or a PR, I would have think they would have opened the training for the public, because Enra was the first training section.
A
second training section. So
the
first one was behind a closed door. So yes, that is accepted because I think as a team in the free buying tea, they need at least 1 day intensive training behind closed doors. Is okay, but I would have preferred Senka and Rano they open it for them than 3 days ago they were opening it for them than Enra. So that
Omudi can buy
no Omudi can buy because of what they were doing in Accra. The coach would like to continue and observe because you realize players from Accra full complement of the team. So in terms of tactics now coaching person Bono Ebeye Dink Accra say specific players are person normal boss team role in the honor Ebeye Dink. You understand? I hope you understand. Yes. So Ubenya full complement of the team now. You will want to do at least one rehearsed training with a full complement of the team before Ubeye any other things. But the coach knows best. Oh no, technical. But my suggestion is that Enra the happy year could have been the day before.
Oh, okay.
So that the fans will will come to the stadium, because what I told, the report I received was the fans were there in their numbers, but they wouldn't allow them in because the coach says yes. But if we had communicated that earlier to the fans now, they wouldn't have come there in the first place. In Tiabema, attendance, sometimes, and I say enthusiasm, and I say euphoria surrounding the whole thing, because when you go to the stadium and watch the training, and you see, most people, they like catch, they like to see excitement football, entertaining football. People do those things now. And then the conversation goes out there. Hey, we Captain Cruz, we add up to the excitement and people want to come. But it's done already. They were there yesterday. Yes. I'm told, say the crowd nearby a day before, a greater crowd than this one. Stand to be corrected.
Yes.
But everything being good, I think that the fans will come in their numbers, and they should come in their numbers just to support the team, because they have done this throughout. Support an idea do be the idea do. We've not played one of the qualifiers in Accra. All the qualifiers has been played here, so it's their spirits that are guiding team now to this far. I don't think that they should chicken themselves out for the real victory, because it's going to be a sweet victory for Ghana, and they should be part of that story.
Vivi Mate, Masa Bana Yatwaso na Mamenko na mene Lord of the Green Turf, Lord of Pokunti, and Twaso na Yenin Koma Kranewe. Well, Eduzia was a legend in a banner, a Mobeka Kra. Lord na Bibia Bokode. Lord Otemenka. Mehe ti mesan ako na yakwa ye ya ti bibi na edidam ti anko. Okay, ma mehe na mesan anko. Lord Mpombo ko de. She mezo kasa metibat eye ya. Lord bibi a sheye.
Nyame adom bibi a boko ho ye.
Yenso nyame adom ye ho edin pa bibi a. Eko kama pa na we de evra no pe ya ze wa wonim ne game kese a eko so Kumasi Babara Sports Room ne du se e wo se e ba na mo amabobida asan ramu aye adwuma de ama ye wechi ni ade na mo ba e baba be di nkopo Ghana Central African Republic minim Lord game we yanko mu sen
very you me da se bebre ni akonya meche tiefo nyina nso very, very important. I'll see a Timinia win at home. Very, very, very important. I'll see a Timinia home win. I'll say right from the we see a mobile setback right from the blast of the whistle. Now I think I'll see a party pressure within 50-20 minutes. I'll see a more pressure near. Ubo might say also yes strategical and a home and to home no I don't just say ubi a janana ebia will lose concentration where actually tactical discipline is very, very, very important. Supporting each other at any given football where there wrong passes the bem dribbling we could dribble no lose ball nina bem but nina I pray say we will play as a team, supporting each other, helping each other. Whenever I say we call it encounter program before be obeti alerting no solve the problem before you alert him.
Lord Mante na yerimze baba ya de azu ye wa ofia goals do na wa share titu ezo original mubu edwuma etimiera ma o man Ghana minim ya na time ne koko kudusi na koko ezo yenhye na yen qualify na yen ko because yansha emwa ya time na original ma na obobi no ya na ura game nim say mentality be na ya na modiram.
You see and America mentality na is going for the kill. Whatever it is, victory is paramount. I would say before ebia entertainment football club beba no secure victory in the first. Even though Kumasi the ball fair because of history of maybe Kotoko and the national team here, no, I think Kumasi has been more supportive than any other region. Ashanti region has been a supportive power on the Black Stars, and anytime you Bahan so no victory, and the support also massive. But in all this, you know, in football, no, our time you entertain anytime it gets serious to get the goals. They're very, very important. To me, and you know, all of a sudden, you go in for the care, and then we entertain the supporters. Very, very, very important.
The Ramuzane, the Yen Koma Kram, in the last game against Angola, Okrudia Manunya, Quina, Coco Kuhebi, Uniama Bakumi, Nubia, Amo, go no crown time and a buy, and the Niji Badia Banaze, Na Ye Kakradi, a Futu Bibi Ramudiama, Yen players and ahead of the game, and a tactical Niama Bakubia, who said, Nay, the Roma Bebuana. Yen supporters and also can be Biachomo, then Nenombe Shepak and also Mana, or more supporters in the name Wana, Yentimi, Enyarin, on and fair and qualifying Queen.
You, the mechanism, Midinka can be teamwork in a very, very important before individual skills. Your baby individual skills in a BEM whereby you've been put at a boxer. Also, film. That is where you need individual brilliance. No, but yes, idea. We should work as a team. Goal scorer and across should not be selfish ambition, because we need to win. We need to win. So, teamwork, a very, very important tactical discipline. Very, very, very important. And yes, a bit to me, a backfire. But I pray, say, this time, teamwork, a bit more than say individual style of play, a beba. Then concerning supporters, there, I do believe that Ghana had a cast supporting base, the Kumasi at the heart of Ghana football, very clear, and they have been supportive. Over Kaya, America, say. Ghana for you supporting them, but the GFA then used Kumasi, and the response was great. And I believe this time so number in numbers. Yeah, but now maintaining the norm that was Kumasi is the best supporting base of the Black Stars. So Yabesanya Bibium, Senea, those who in charge, the GFA will always remember Kumasi first before they will turn it to other regions. If it's a supporters there, Omobaba in numbers, I believe Kumasi supporters, I believe they will come in numbers because this is their own and they want to cherish their own. And the Ghana Blaster is back again to Kumasi, so I believe so, Mbeba.
Mante, Lord, you better ask me after the game, no, so the Umbia and Yabesa Bana, Yapomonti Ababejo Agenche.
Muzune Dasi.
Eti ano ye Lord Opokunti, near court, Nene Coco Tidi Dinkoma, Wabomodi on so de na Jinche Ababa Ramesaba, na mini fifiare. Na Springboga, Miriam Yanama Facoles in a Kakra. Na Yahweh Central African Republic Committee, and is all mobile leader near Geoffrey Kondobia, but plenty when Timmy join team, and Timesa Bana, many Fifia team, no so Kakra, near Zebia Neno, on Betty, be a go ahead, the man is a beshomo. There's all mobile coach, this will be Casawa, Happy Bree, as also on any day. Otimia was saying at their date, and he may near Didier no home command. Better as a controls and they also run when you do feed watch www.betway.com.gh. Now, what more than I don't want to be now. This time around the Omodiabano, a Betway golden code promo. Now, Uromo site wa na abomodi a golden booking code no use se ne utwa bet no from 1 Ghana cedi to 50 Ghana cedis ni ediwa ye bomodin etimi return usika no etimi e ma so bomodi use omo golden booking code no tie simple she show omodi aba no call mowa money vendor bia ona abomodi na uze ene no omo niama ni bi titai wa no abomodi e top up no ne aboa na ne ma koyie pa etimi e dia mana top tier steady abroad consulting kan emphasize akonya na ba se ne ubetimi ewramu e amanone akwa kusua de mo wie GHS no yes no grace ne ye unimrika ko ni boboboa eje scholarship etimi e de emanya no nko a se bachelor degree master's degree postgraduate diploma and certificate no doctorate degree programs no wo USA Canada UK Australia baby ti se Austria ni New Zealand nyina no ye robe ko sat ne bo ache nkofo e mo mo twe ne twa yie kama pa e na IELTS no any TOEFL no so no nurses no graduating undergraduate student ne bo etimi chemo uwi a wejuma ye no ya de simple ni nyina za chefo ne ono de onche kra no enye ni mfie dun wotwe ti adaptation ya de a simple pe de ma po mo akra Madina Royal Circle Sigan Plaza or see Madina Polyclinic no ubenyo mo number ni 0203 592008 0203 592008 na kuma say Amakum traffic light no mo nya Bank of Africa number ni 0260 411847 0260 411847 yambwa na ne mandida di print me from Atakra de omo ben NK fire service if yan kwanta kwan no omo ben Fijia School Park na 0598 0078520 0598 0078520 yambwa na ne mandida di so no emfama bafo polo semen kancho ze wa bo modern African print no and or the design be adamu shonko na senete the African print polo shirt African print golf shirt African print round neck shirt African print v-neck shirt in a boutique for no monkonko tunton ezanze dodo na ne ba mo boutique wa or mo ep bi na package no your gold package are 20 shirt or box mo silver package are 15 shirt or box mo na bronze package no 10 shirt or box mo for gold na Ghana bibia boutique no be deliver the amawa ntwa kapede organizations outdoor na be bankers no and our free so cra no schools no teachers association and so you know and our fan clubs no wa kunya se mo ne no e be din kita no waboa na wa mamanya ntade ni bi and then so ankonam te see no team tonkra Ghana bibi obi obena no deliver the amount 0249 600789 0249 600789 0599 899 0599 899 up and I'm a cocobe or boise Santa Anasa Santas or boise quano sono ye boa na nema kuyipa etimi da ma Roxy semen kan fan chose o der so no so beko akwa kurama manone akoyi ejuma abobo anasimpo wakwa akotena akwa kusua de a omehena yere wakwa esi US ye bo age work permit area ma obeso chade US omo obeko Canada any UK no health workers no ne de omoko ekoko rama na factory jobs no oro ani chemo baby ti Australia do beko akwa kuraba ma sakwenya ba tie the drivers ko na cleaners outdoor na na security job wo ha yere ne de rama no ben Florida entu akwenya so be rama aboama ne madadina New Zealand so no you obi anim car ropa na open factory job no so no ye bomode na eduwe ram Schengen state no ye gigi visas outdoor na de man for baby ti say taking so no ye betimi de ram no akwakobo ejuma na ye se baby ti say Albania ye penani nti emayo anu wenya from dun otwene de ko na open so kokoko tro bi nchen ehwe ne ma no omodidie ni ade no ye do ram na boa mane ma kuye pa de amaba bi ti se Dubai Qatar Kuwait so no factory job na pa won Africa Kazakhstan no nyina no ye betimi de ram Roxy omontoto ye ene ye do ko akwa ko ram na boa mane ma kuye da ma peso sua de wo China Canada Belarus e wo Europe na USA omoboa je scholarship no etimi ye ma take it a booking no ene reservation no mudi enimu ye e de ma na private jet rentals no eno so omo ye ze birth certificate na pen passport a ni nyine bedi wanimi aye ma say opo mo a na cheze nuru ni chemu asafu VIP station wa Golden Mo Touch aban show no number ni 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 na 055 7607 375 055 7607 375 na Kumasi sele midi kanke na asafu VIP station Golden Home Touch amaban show ni omo Accra ene kaswa na che Accra kaswa CP o Symmetry Church no obenyo omo 0244 613 237 0244 613 237 niambwa na nema ende da ye kama pa entimi enfama na hyehyɛ no so no entimi ende da ye enfama ntia za pepe NC etia ni nyina mo no ewura mo obetimi e de amadu vivi yɛhwɛ na yɛnwura mo Central African Republic ko mo team ne kakra menim so ni mo pa na yɛhwɛ so mo coach na kasa bebre zen na oba na wa ba be surprise o mo team na kasa no hu so obetimi aba be bibi wɔ Ghana.
Oh, so share Nigeria.
Yes.
Until for some share Nigeria, no, they have some. Well, I mean, they will get some confidence automatically. So, and besides, the interview and show me.
Yes.
You know more about draw. Until as for bragging, there,
be able to make it.
Bragging, but at the end of the day, you know, we'll see what happens. Yeah. At the end of the day, we'll see what happens. You'll bet me a brag. You'll bet me a candy up. Now, he can say whatever he wants to say, but I'm sure say after the game, no, he will not say what he said again.
Marty,
because the scripts will be written boldly for him to see.
Okay.
Until you just cut this one. I'm saying say he has every right to say whatever he wants to say now, but at the end of the game today, Obehun smoothness level.
And Jordan did he go so no?
Oh, set me name some it depends on the coach.
Oh, okay.
So coach, you know, say be a bit me about ball. 23 players. So selection never out. And I say, oh man, they'll do their optimum best. Send on my be and I'm sure today might even be extra because we need that qualification in Abidjan.
Marty, the chat talk rana, Minja Quina, after for no
Mestre etiefo ni ahwefo na Omombra Stadium ho senia yesi support Nigeria any Nigeria no. In fact, maybe after say any Black Stars, I think Morocco, it was 2-2 or forgotten the year. Those days now I'm for full
97. I'm for full floodlights no. I'm full floodlights no na shabo no. Me who's a crowd in Nigeria. Even though it was scary at the stadium because at the point in time I thought that Nipa Nawa Stadium no. Of course it was more than the numbers in the capacity required, but they should come in their numbers, support the team as they've done all the time. And today I can assure you that the icing will be on the cake. Mate, but I mean, you have to give me a very share game.
Most definitely.
Now come on away anymore. Most. About never was a Ghana, 7 was a car. Said no, see and Black Stars. I said. After we know, same Sunday wish ya. Getting common.
Commodity.
Oh, that commodity, bro.
Don't head start now. Some can make up
after giving them no message, I was
but one thing to mess journalists and writers and reporters criticism is good for everybody.
Yes.
But the criticism should be constructive.
Yeah.
Not insultive. Not insulting at all. We don't need to insult people to make our points. Say, Jordan, I'm Bobo here. You have every right to criticize him, but don't insult him.
Yes.
So I ask a reporter, I don't want to put his name out here. Say, Ninya, Naya Simisia, the our comfort, how would he feel? And he's all become. How would he feel? And as a relative, some of the things we say to footballers, and initially I told you, you sitting down here and all your lieutenants here, you don't need a win more than any of the players on the pitch. You don't. It means a lot to them more than any of us, not even the FA president.
Yes.
Nobody wants that win than any of the people around the team. Players someone here a win because it's them. You have no idea what it means to them and what they want to achieve. Some of the things they want to do. So I'm not sure they want to go into the game just to go and stand on the pitch and watch the grass.
Derby.
No. But Ankuya, what can you do? You go on again. If that's the case, say Premier League, You mean supporting Manchester United? And then Chelsea for Liverpool share, was it? No, sorry, Arsenal share. And the Zanga say, yes, it's a team, yeah. But you have to go again. You have to put yourself together and go again. Sir. If you demoralize the people like that, how do you expect them to go again? And I always say that you sitting down here, if you have a bad program or your boss comes and say all sort of things to you, will you be motivated to come and sit behind the console and work again? You will not be. So let's put ourselves in their shoes. You know, we should just eliminate it. It's not part of journalism. Constructive criticism is fair, but to insult people, I don't think it's a motivation. And don't forget, these guys are young guys. Some of them don't have thick skin like the Andre Ayew I know and the Jordan Ayew I know. They've been trolling them and saying all sort of things on social media and mainstream media, but they are still there. Yes. It's the mentality. Because they know what they want. It's the mentality. But some cannot take it. I've spoken to a few players, your friend national team crown or bar. Or the Copa also. Your man the pass crown, then you turn into something else. And so the next time he wouldn't even have that encouragement to even come again. And it will be who I say about representing the nation. There are players who they do very well, extremely well for their club football. But when they come to national team, they come because listen, start to squad the bar out now. Yeah, shall see a we on yard nanka was we neighbor. Now we are you now bunabum. Oh, but so for example, I mean Andrea you. He's in the squad because the coach says he needs him. What can you do? There's nothing you can do. He says he needs him. It's not like somebody held the coach's throat and said put him in the squad. Unless he needs the player. So what can you do? Do your winning with facts and figures. That's what is most important. Why? Thank you very much.
I wish I tell my Beziano.
You never
wish I tell my the Obiana. Abu, Yamiadum.
For also and I'm in far.
Yes, I wouldn't say about Chrome idea. Nina is all about the Black Stars. Yeah, share Black Stars matches. Maybe the last time I bought was against Angola. Yeah, bought in disqualifies. Ghana bought this level at the last round. Here qualification. They are called the AFCON in Ivory Coast next year. Abu minum yoni enti na hanka say AFCON e Ivory Coast yem pese be ko. Yakobo Madagascar eni o mabo draw. Yakobo away with Angola eni o mabo draw. And this Central African Republic ya eni mo di ka bo draw dada. Enti ye wini ye match say wini nyina ye home match say Kumasi ha. Ye wini Madagascar o Cape Coast eni be share Angola ha. O share the way ye share Angola supporters no. And a winning Angola match in my time ago about the time I Joseph Pensator for my refugee free in my Ghana and San Abon cotton team. Now, point we are Mimika Sabia, match and draw. But Abu, you're too near my supporters in a buy stadium here, Ma, Obia, Vim, did Angola for Abumbu, Semen Bobon to win all the share. I was here, supporters in Mbra, Omoba, and I win Nababa because Central African Republic, you know, and can on football grounds and Comunia Dom. But Abu, this is not the best blasters in Swahili and Saka. Osha, you mix it some key players like said Fifi Takibu, Danalamate, Kamaldeen, Majid Asimeru, Kofichire. These are players.
Minche ticket kakramba.
Yes, I say uche ticket Abu. Uche ticket not supporters in number because they are supporters.
Mate, Obi Ore mi biano, Obezore Ghana game ni bia. 0554931931 anye yadi memfa menkohe. Udiare baby Alfrefi.
And but FM match on Cathedral Boakwa.
Manso Abakwa game ni bi.